that, I'm going to talk about manifestation a little bit. And what is manifestation, first of all? So it is not that we learn how to manifest and then we start manifesting things in our life. We are manifesting all the time. Everything that you're seeing in your life right now, all the results that you're experiencing is a manifestation. The problem is the majority of people manifest unconsciously. That's why they have both things that are wanted and things that are unwanted, because they are not manifesting consciously. And that's what I teach. My mentor, Bob Proctor, said, if you can see it in your head, you can have it in your hand. Anything that you can think about, anything that you really, really want and desire. So desire is the key here. You need to really want something from the bottom of your heart. Not what the society wants from you, not what your parents want from you, what your partner wants from you, what your children want from you. What is it that you really, really want? And if you can see it in your head, meaning you can visualize it, you really love it from the bottom of your heart. So that's the first thing about manifestation. Just know that you can absolutely have it in your physical world and you can experience it in your life. The only reason that you want something and you're not able to manifest it is not because manifestation doesn't work, is not because law of attraction doesn't work. The only reason you're not manifesting the things you want, the success you want, the fulfillment, the happiness, the amount of money you want, is because of your own limiting beliefs. Bob Proctor called it paradigm. Paradigm is a multitude of habits, your belief system. Deep in your subconscious mind, you have a program that is running all the time. This is science. 95 to 97% of everything you do every day comes from your subconscious mind. That's crazy to think about it, that we're only conscious 5%. So there is this program that's been given to you through two ways. One, genetically, from your genes, from your parents, from your ancestors. That's why we're similar to our parents, as much as sometimes we don't want to be. And the second way is through your upbringing. When you were a kid, since you were born, the minute you were born till the age of 7 and 8, you are programmed already. By the age 7, you are programmed about how you think about yourself, how you feel about yourself, how confident you are. Are you outgoing? Are you shy? What do you think about money? What are your beliefs about work and earning money and hard work? That's crazy that you are programmed